The UK's rapid COVID-19 vaccine rollout is expected to help the economy get back to its pre-pandemic size 6 months sooner than previously expected. Official forecasts expect economic growth to hit 4% this year, while an extension of furlough scheme will limit job losses. Here are the details of this and other stories from across the globe.
The UK's government independent forecaster, the Office for Budget Responsibility, says the UK had been at the vanguard of the discovery of new and effective vaccines. The Office for Budget Responsibility says this will foster a swifter and more sustained economic recovery, with the pace of growth expected to strengthen to 7.3 in 2022. This will be the highest growth rate since official records began in 1949 and help the economy to return to its pre-pandemic size in the middle of next year. Meanwhile, Singapore's central bank has told financial firms to be vigilant to any suspicious transaction or fund flows between the city-state and Myanmar due to concerns over potential for financial crimes. The Monetary Authority of Singapore reminded all chief executives of financial institutions of the need for robust customer due diligence and appropriate risk mitigation measures in high-risk situations. The move comes amid weeks of mass demonstrations in Myanmar after the military seized power. The pro-democracy activist has pledged to hold more demonstration in the Southeast Asian nation after the United Nations said that 8 people had been killed in the most violent day of unrest since last month's military coup. The Monetary Authority of Singapore says the situation in Myanmar could give rise to money laundering, terrorism, financing, and other financial crimes. Finally, Lufthansa may permanently ground more planes to emerge learners from the coronavirus pandemic, the German airliner group has said as it posted record losses for 2020. The group, which includes Australian Airlines, Swiss and Eurowings brands, trimmed its 2021 capacity plans as COVID-19 disruption drags on, but said it still hoped for a summer upturn. Lufthansa posted a €1.14 billion fourth quarter net loss, with a $1.2 billion deficit in adjusted earnings before interest and tax. Revenue fell 71% to €2.59 billion. The airline, which received a government-backed €9 billion bailout last June, said it will operate at 40 to 50% of pre-crisis capacity this year, down from an earlier 40-60% forecast. For Channel 1 News, I'm Wangare Washiri.